Hi guys, Morning speaking. Today I will be showing you how to make some bone meal. Yeah. So let's get us started. Okay. Not here. Oh yeah. So let's go to my how-to thing. Okay. To get bone meal, you can either get some from a composter. You can also get it off skeletons. So we're gonna wait for it to be night, which is gonna be pretty soon. Should be some down here. Yeah, I guess we just gotta wait for it to be night. Oh, there's difference. Yeah, so you can get bone meal on this and on that. Oh, and you can also do the worst trap with a composter. Just saying. Okay, monsters start spawning. Okay, that's good. We just need the one that I'm looking for. Should be around here somewhere. There it is. Better not get killed at this. I'm good at killing skeletons by hand. Oh, what? Okay, that definitely. I definitely didn't mean to do that. But now that skeleton's got low health, so that's good. Oh, that's where I went. Good at battling skeletons, so this should be fine. Okay, run, 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 run. Okay. Wow! Okay, anything around me? No, it's... Oh no, it's a baby zombie. Ooh. Nice. This way, baby zombie. Okay, that's better. Okay, so how to make bone meal? Yes, here we go. And as I did in my first how-to video, my second how-to video, water. Yep. All these nice flowers and colors, something like that. Yeah, and that's how you make bone meal. See you on the next one. Bye.